captain Marriott sydd â hi mewn I drad Leo Smith. Mae'r ddau dîm wedi gwneud newidiadau, ond dyma Tomlinson at Keenan Patton ac ergyd gynta'r gêm yn dod wedi 8 eiliad ar hugain yn unig. Dechreuad da i'r tîm cartre. A dyma Leo Smith, tu fewn I wrthwynebydd, nôl at Brobl mewn at Redmond nôl at Brobl! Arbediad rhagorol. Yr ergyd gan Brobl wedi anelu at y gornel bella, ond Luke Rees yn arbed yn wych. Patton dan bwysau, colli'r bêl. Brobl yn taro'r postyn, ergyd wych. Brobl yn ceisio cremanu'r bêl o amgylch Luke Rees, yn curo Rees, ond nid yn curo'r postyn. Jamie Veal dros y gic gornel. Mae'n I chrymanu ddim mewn at y postyn pella. Y peniad lawr gan Ben Blythe, a mae'n cael I chlirio gan y Seintiau. Veal yn ei chrymanu ddi at y postyn pella. Ben Blythe yn cael I bennu ddi, ond dyma'r Seintiau pen arall y ca trwy Brad Young. Young yn mynd I hun. Cyfle Young! A'r Seintiau yn troi am ddiffyn yn ymosod mewn chwinciad. A Brad Young yn rhedeg 3/4 hyd y ca I dorri calonau'r Barri ac I roi'r ymwelwyr ar y blaen. Daniels ac Brad Young, y cyffyrddiad lleia, rediad gan Clark, arbediad rhagorol arall gan Luke Rees yn y gôl i'r Barri. Chydig dros awr wedi chwarae, Veal eto mewn at y postyn golled, pres a'r peniad, a maen nhw'n gyfartal, ac Oli Hulbert sydd wedi sgorio, y prif sgoriwr yn y fan ar lle, y Barri 1, y Seintiau Newydd 1. 20 munud I chwarae yn yr ail hanner, bêl yn cael I sgibo mewn, a mae'r cyffyrddiad ola yn cael I hawlio gan Danny Davies. Y gic rydd I mewn, neb wrth ochr Danny Davies. Mae'n cael y cyffyrddiad lleia I giro Luke Rees. Smith yn troi. Marriott y captain. Mewn at Chislovich yn gyflym. A'r bêl yn syrthio I Brad Young, does dim cam sefyll. A mae Brad Young wedi ychwanegu'r drydydd i'r Seintiau Newydd I ail o'r prynhawn. Marriott eto. Brad Young. Ac mae'r bedwaredd wedi cael I sgorio ar y postyn pella. Marriott yn croesi y cyffyrddiad ymlaen, a neb yn marcio Josh Daniels ar y postyn pella, a mae'n curo Luke Rees. Redmond yn helpu'r bêl allan i'r asgell at Chislovich gyda Young yn dal I ddisgwyl am I hat-trick ar draws. Mae'n mynd yn greulon ma nawr. Fe fydd Brobl yn hawlio, ond dwi'n meddwl taw gôl I rwyd I hun fydd y gôl. A mae'r 4 yn troi'n 5. Dyma Leo Smith yn cychwyn ymysodiad arall. Holden gyda Chislovich allan ar y chwith, ond mae e'n bwydo I Young. Cyfle fan hyn I Young am hat-trick. Young! Mae wedi rhwydo'r drydydd hefyd. A mae'n droi'n embarrass nawr I dîm Steve Jenkins yma ar Bart Jenner. Hat-trick I Brad Young. 7fed gôl y tymor yn I 7fed ymddangosiad. Bright yn croesi. Hulbert! Mae rhaid bod hwnna wedi croesi'r llinell. Mae cynnar ddwyraig y dyfarnwr pen pella yn dyfarnu gôl. Ac ail gôl o'r prynhawn I Oli Hulbert. Croesio'r Harrison Bright, peniad rhydd I Oli Hulbert.
It's obviously nice to get on the score sheet and getting my first professional hat-trick, so I'm over the moon with it. The team performance wasn't our best, as we set ourselves high standards, so it wasn't the best, but yeah, I'm happy to get my first hat-trick.
And I think that's 7 goals in 7 appearances for you. You're really on fire.
It took a while to get going. I went a couple games without scoring. Just getting used to the Astro, getting used to the style of play, because teams like to drop off against us. So I feel like I'm getting started now and I'm ready to go.
Steve, a 6-2 home defeat, but certainly not a true reflection of the game.
No, it wasn't. In fact, for 67, 70 minutes, it was 1-1. and I thought we were outstanding. I thought we were excellent. And that's what I said to the boys there. Look, we're massively disappointed with the end result, but for 70 minutes we matched the best team in the league by a mile. So I'm really pleased with that. Just disappointed in the last 20 minutes and the manner of the goals we scored. We conceded. Yeah, that's disappointing, but I'm going to take the positives from the first 70.
Craig, I don't think many people would have foreseen a 6-2 away win today. And to be fair, the game was in the balance until Brad Young scored that third goal for you.
Yeah, it was. You know, you get the opportunities in the first half. You know, the keeper's made 3 great saves at the post, and we've wasted opportunities. And as we all know in football, that, you know, 1-0, it's a precarious position to be in against anybody. You know, so, you know, and also as well, you know, you didn't want a history to repeat itself. You know, we were 2-0 up against Barri at home, you know, earlier on the season, the comeback. So the sloppiness of the you know, having a lot of possession and some great chances is just a little bit disappointing. Now we didn't take the opportunities and probably kill the game off. We almost like sort of come into life once they scored their goal, and you know, and sort of sparked up a little bit and played with a little bit more better tempo and looking after the ball a little better.